cool thing about this is it's so light that if I was in really deep snow, it just glides right atop the top, right above it. Even glides on the slide.
Yeah, look at this. We got some nice mud right here. Go in the mud. Rip it up in the mud. Yeah. Stir it out. I want to see mud coming off the tires. Do donuts right in the slush. Someone's gonna do donuts right in the slush. Look at the mud. Oh, this is awesome. Check this out, Brayden. Stop. It's getting all over the GoPro. We got snowy mud all over the GoPro. Look at how gross that is. You want monster trucks in the mud? We give you monster trucks in the mud on BLB Adventures.
Okay, so my dad took over on my Megalodon. So what are you gonna do, Dad?
All right, I want you to get right behind this jump and I'm gonna jump in.
Okay. Look at all that slush right there.
Alright,
Yeah.
here we go.
Yep.
Alright, I'm gonna try that again. Lucca, was that cool?
Yeah.
Hi everyone, welcome to PLB Adventures. We have the rarest thing happening right after the new year in 2021. Look, it's snowing in South Texas.
Kids want to see something. Watch this. No way. Want to stop it. Why?
Alright, so we have our Megalodons, and if you remember our first video, these Megalodons could drive in snow. So we're gonna test them out and see if we can really drive in snow. Alright, dude, check it out. I want to see some donuts in the snow. Look at up here. We got a slushy mess, ripping up the dirt. We got donuts in the snow. This is so awesome. We're having so much fun. We're gonna do multiple snow episodes. We're gonna take advantage of the rare occurrence. We're gonna do Monster Jam racing. So stay tuned for future episodes because we're gonna be releasing them slowly but surely. But as you can see, these Monster Jam trucks can go on dirt. Donuts! Donuts! It's just like real Monster Jam. This is awesome. Been in water. Coming right at you. Check out the wheels spinning. That's so awesome. We've now officially approved them to drive in snow.
Kids, guess what? They can't even drive up a hill in snow. They'll just flip over if they drive.
Lucca up to. Lucca's ripping it up. We got a shark in the snow. Whoa! That was awesome.
He's gonna do that again, but this I backed up. I didn't want to hit you.
You go first. Do it.
Okay. Let's do it.
Oh, that was like a front.
Right in the slide.
All right, here we go.
And it's down. You see, Brayden, you can go that.
There you go, buddy. You do that over the top. That's fun. I don't want to steal all the fun from Lucca, so I'm going to give him his monster truck back so he can jump. Oh, he's got my foot. The shark is trying to bite my foot. Oh, that was sick. Dude, we're going to have to see that wheelie again in slow motion. That was epic. We are tearing it up in the snow. You can look. It is snowing. Oh, Megalodon fell over. Brayden, what you up to, dude?
I'm trying to whip up the snow.
You're gonna try to rip up the snow? Let's see you. Dude, look at that. Rip it up, buddy. Oh, yeah. I want to see you tear it up. All right, I'm gonna do a sneak attack right now. Check out all the snow. We got a massive snowball. And we're gonna get Lucca. Here we go. We're gonna get Lucca. Oh, Lucca's doing donuts in the slush. Uh-oh. Here we go. First person snowball attack. First person. In the foot. I got Lucca in the foot with the biggest snowball. All right, kids. We're gonna get Brayden next. So I'm gonna make a good epic snowball right here. Get some nice, good, fresh snow. All right. Brayden, snowball coming at you. Ah! Brayden is an athlete. He was able to dodge that snowball. Ah! All right, I want to see a snowball come right at this GoPro camera. All right, Brayden. Snowball fight! It is time. I gotta put these gloves away. Oh, Brayden's got a big one. Oh, Brayden's got me. All right, first person snowball. Snowball fight! We're turbo throwing. Oh! Ah! Brayden got you. Ah! I got Brayden. Boys, the best snow is right against the fence. See, they don't know is, look at this. This is the gold mine right here. Look at that, all that snow, all against the fence line. Lucca now knows what the good snow is. We're going deep. All right, I'm gonna be like Patrick Mahomes right now, and I'm going deep for the touchdown. Oh, Brayden got the camera. We're going deep. Lucca's about 10 yards away. All right. Obviously, this is why I have a day job and I'm not in the NFL because I suck at accuracy. We're gonna try this one more time. All right, we're gonna go up for a sneak attack real quick. So, Lucca's coming this way. And we're gonna sneak attack him. Ah, I missed! I missed. But check out up here, kids.
Don't throw that.
Alright, you could grab one snowball. Here comes Brayden.
The cool thing is that all like the
Dude, let's drive Megalodon down this.
Kids, want another snowball at you?
Yeah, go for it. Ah, right in the camera. Oh, that got it. Ah, I got Megalodon. I don't know if you saw that, but I got Megalodon. I gotta bring their controllers, so let me get the other Megalodon real quick. We are gonna go up on the drainage behind the wall, and we're gonna drive Megalodon on it because it's gonna be pretty freaking awesome. Brayden's got his Megalodon. Lucca's up there with his Megalodon. So if you see the Megalodon at the store and you want a good RC, easy to use monster truck for your kids, get the Megalodon Storm RC. It drives in snow, perfect for the winter. And we are just having so much fun with the Megalodon. Look at the tracks. Look at the tracks it's making in the snow. All right. That is epic. There goes the Megalodons. The Megalodons are on top of each other. Ah! All right, we're gonna get the Megalodons. We're gonna go up this wall because it's really, really awesome. Check this out. Look at it. It is snowing pretty good here, for at least for Texas standards. All y'all in other parts of the world where it really snows, you're like, this is nothing. But for us, this is a huge deal. All right, Lucca did something really sick, and I'm gonna come over here and do it.
Kids, watch this.